In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Lyca Mobile SIM card in France. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Activating any Lyca Mobile SIM card is extremely simple. Regardless of the region where you are located, you can follow these same general steps to get it done. So, you will have to eventually download the mobile app or visit the website that I'm displaying on screen to manage your account, see the plans available, the deals, and so on. However, for the activation process, you don't actually need to do any manual input here. All that you have to do is pop your new SIM card into your phone. So after you receive the SIM card inserted into your device, there is no secret to this. If you don't know how to insert a SIM card on your particular phone model, then check the instructions, but usually there will be a SIM tray at the side or at the top of your phone. You pop it out, insert the SIM card, and reboot your phone. With this done, you simply have to wait, and usually the Lyca Mobile SIM card will be detected and activated on its own. And once your phone recognizes the SIM, you will receive a confirmation email or SMS containing the new mobile number. You can double check by dialing *131#. This will tell you if the plan is active and working. Alternatively, if you want to activate a Lyca Mobile bundle, you will have to call 139 and then input the plan code. So an example would be 51003 for Lyca Nacional M, and then finish it off with a hash. By calling this number, you can activate a bundle, but usually this will not be needed. Simply inserting the SIM card into your phone should be enough to get this process done. And if it doesn't work, you can talk to their customer support. Afterwards, just download the mobile app or visit the website, and in here you can find the option to register the SIM. This is going to be useful once you are ready to manage your account and the SIM card has been inserted into your device and used properly at least once. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If this video answered any questions that you had, your subscription would mean a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.